In episode 4 of Repair, Restore, Revive, Mark continued with repairing the rusted doors on his '66 Corvair. Having used various techniques, including a hammer form, the frame of the door is solid again, and he moved on to the skin itself. This is where Mark really showed off his skills while utilizing an English wheel to dial it in and nail those body lines.